Hey, it's Jay, and I'm over at my friend Michelle's house, and we're gonna be redoing her laundry space.
If you can call it laundry space. It's been like tragic, really. This is my only storage, this one teeny tiny little 2.5 foot wire shelf. And so I needed some more storage and organization in here.
Yeah, so let's get started. So Michelle, these are custom-made shelves?
Well, sort of. If you mean Home Depot made them, yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just went to Home Depot and I got the 12-foot common board, and I had them cut to fit the space. And then I stained them, and I kind of wanted a weathered kind of coastal vibe, and so I did a light brown, I think it was called walnut stain, and then I went over it with a gray stain, so it just kind of looked a little bit more weathered. And yeah, easy
really
peasy.
Nice. I like them.
And they were, I mean, I think I paid $90 for all three. We have 3 of these that we're going to be doing, and
cool.
That was so much less expensive than going and getting more wire shelving, which who likes wire shelving?
Yeah, not very nice. Or if you bought something like this, it would be
like ready-made, yeah,
a few hundred. Yeah, ready-made.
So.
And then you also brought in, you also have these like kind of wrought iron color brackets.
Yeah,
right?
I'm like pretty much the entire world. I'm kind of on that industrial farmhouse chic.
Yeah.
So
like
yeah, so I kind of wanted to do something that wasn't just plain, and I think it's gonna look cool.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. These shelves are going to be heavy, and Michelle wants to put heavy things on them, so we need to make sure we locate the studs and actually put the brackets into the studs. So I just have a zircon stud finder. A good place to start is next to an outlet, because outlets have to be nailed into a stud to be secure. So it's going to either be on the left or the right side. I'm going to guess that it might actually be right in between this outlet here and then this box, because this box also has to screw into something. So what we're going to do is we're going to start just to the left of where we think the stud might be. And we're going to slowly move along the wall. All right. And we keep kind of hitting an edge here. So I'm just going to put just a little tiny pencil mark, something that you can erase later. All right, I'm going to come in from the other direction. And you can always kind of knock on the wall. See how there's kind of a hollow sound there? And it kind of gets less hollow when you get on the stud. It gives you a good indicator. And then we have another outlet down here. So if I take my stud finder, I think we've got our 2 points here, and this is where we're going to attach the brackets for the shelves. We just took a second to take the old wire shelf down and just briefly filled in with some spackle. So hopefully that'll cure, and if we'll go back and refill if we need to. The next step we're going to do is we're going to install our first bracket. We want our first shelf to be about 56 inches off the ground. So Michelle's measured here. We have the stud marked out here. And if I kind of just center it right in between, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my level up next to it. And I'm going to get it up to 56 inches. And take my pencil. So I've got my 3 pencil marks, so I can drill my holes now. And then we can attach the hardware. So when I put the screws in, I'm not going all the way in, because I first want to just make sure that I'm level, and I wasn't, so that's good. So now I'm level, and I can tighten these up. side done.
Woke us up.
Yeah, exactly, right? All right.
All right.
Done.
All right.
The moment of truth. So close.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, all right.
We're gonna have to trim these down. Yeah, I'll go get my saw. So sometimes these things happen and you just have to adjust to it. Michelle measured correctly, but her closet is actually just slightly smaller than 72 inches. So we're gonna take about a half an inch off each shelf. They didn't quite fit, so we're gonna do a half inch more.
5 minutes later.
Moment of truth! Yes! There we go. This kind of character too, you know, like you think of like the old barrels and stuff. They have like printing on them, but they're super decorative.
Yeah. That looks better.
Yeah, it definitely looks a lot better. Before we put anything on here, we're just gonna take these small screws and then just screw up into the board. And these are self-drilling screws, so we're not gonna drill beforehand.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
I mean, come on, what a difference, right? I'm so excited, and all I can say is like and subscribe.
Oh my gosh, what am I thinking? I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
I forgot the thickness of the board. So Michelle, you made, sorry. So Michelle, you made your own, so Michelle, these are custom made shelves?